Nissan's Frontier Rapid Runner is the kind of build that makes you want to grab a weekend bag and head straight for the trailhead. It keeps the mid-size pickup's straightforward charm and then layers on real hardware that matters when the road ends. Nissan borrows heavy-duty suspension bits from the larger Titan and even swaps in the Titan's rear axle, so the foundation is built to take repeated hits without flinching. A 2-inch body lift, custom Bilstein components, and 37-inch Yokohama Geolander mud terrains mounted on prototype 17-inch Nismo wheels give this truck the stance and traction to climb, crawl, and descend with confidence. Open-air fun is part of the brief. The Rapid Runner trades traditional doors for tube-style doors so you can hear the gravel ping, smell the pine, and feel the breeze at trail speed. Inside, practicality rules. Waterproof seat covers and protective floor and cabin lining keep cleanup simple after a dusty chase or a muddy riverbank session. Utility gets the same attention. A tall bed rack and a low-profile roof rack align neatly so the silhouette stays purposeful rather than cartoonish. The roof rack integrates side lighting and a forward-facing light bar to keep night runs calm and controlled. Cargo capacity is thoughtful, with space for up to 4 kayaks up top and a bed storage system with sliding drawers down below. Power needs are handled by Nismo solar panels feeding battery packs, which means cameras, compressors, and camp lighting stay alive long after sunset. The overland details are dialed. Burly front and rear bumpers. Check a Nismo snorkel for deep crossings. Check wider fenders to keep those 37s covered. Check. Combined with the Bilstein and Titan suspension cocktail, the Rapid Runner reads like a parts list, pulled from seasoned forum veterans who know exactly what breaks and what does not. That is the bigger story here. Nissan is meeting enthusiasts where they already are. Frontier owners have been blending Titan pieces into their builds for years, chasing more travel, stronger axles, and better durability. This truck feels like an acknowledgement and a promise. If you want to build your own, many of these parts will likely be available through Nismo and dealer channels, even if your local shop is not ready to drop in a full Titan rear axle. If you love trucks that actually earn their dirt, the Rapid Runner makes a strong argument. It is not a concept that lives under the show lights. It looks ready to get scratched, to haul gear, to shower off after the river, and to do it all again the next morning.